What's good everybody? It's your boy David again and I'm back with another video today. Maraming nagre-request sa akin and actually may mga nag-message sa akin sa Instagram and on my Facebook page and also commenting on my recent posts doon sa Facebook ko. Mag-react ako kay Alexa Ilacad. Meron din nag-message sa akin bakit hindi na daw ako nagre-react kay Alexa Ilacad, so on and so forth. So today, yun nga, binigyan ko ng time na I will react again to Alexa Ilacad. Alam niyo naman, I also like Alexa Ilacad as an artist, hindi lang singer but totally yung personality, mabait na bata, maganda na bata and everything. Now, sabi nyo may bago siyang kanta, Believing in Magic, if I'm not mistaken but I also found out na meron palang collaboration. I'm not really sure kasi ang mga nagsasabi sa akin sa Facebook or sa Instagram, sabi nila this is a new song, original song ni Alexa Ilacad. But then I found out today, just today, na meron palang para siyang collaboration, sa Believing in Magic. Sila ni Bel Mariano, Francine Diaz, and then Alexa Ilacad. So this is Star Magical from 2024 OST. Kasi yung kay Alexa Ilacad, parang lyric video lang siya, So I think I would rather react to this kasi makikita ko sila, may music video. And then if ever meron mang music video solely produced for Alexa Ilacad, then we will do a reaction for that. But today, gusto ko rin kasing marinig yung boses ni Bel Mariano and Francine Diaz, And I'm really also intrigued and very interested kung gaano ba kaganda or kagaling yung mga singing talent netong dalawang to, ni Bel Mariano and Francine Diaz. Now, I already knew that Alexa Ilacad can really sing. So, Bel Mariano, I think siya yung parang tinatawag na nung nag-perform siya with guitar, I think siya yung tinatawag na Taylor Swift ng Pilipinas. But hindi kasi ako masyado nakafocus dun kasi I just saw it randomly on my Facebook feed. So, and I'm not a fan of Bel Mariano, okay? No offense, hindi ako fan ni Bel Mariano. But I knew her, and also Francine Diaz, I'm not fan of her, but I knew her as well. Definitely, I am a fan of Alexa Ilacad. So, kaya ito yung pinili ko, out from the many videos that lumabas doon sa search results. So, if di pa kayo nakasubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can follow me on my Facebook, on my TikTok, and on my Instagram because I post reaction videos as well there. Lalo na sa Facebook page ko and sa aking TikTok, okay? So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go. Ayan si Bel. Yung una si Francine, di ba? And then, the very beautiful Alexa Ilacad. Di ba siya yung ni Seth?
Every time I dream, it's always him. And in my heart, I can feel we will be together. Don't know where he is. My heart can feel.
Okay, I have to pause. Okay, gusto ko lang, baka makalimutan ko. It's giving a vibe na parang, I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid. Tell me, princess, when did you last let your heart decide? Parang ganun. It's giving me that kind of vibe,
The day will come when he's mine. It will be forever. Waiting for him.
Cute-cute yung boses na ito.
Long I feel to keep this love deep inside me. That's so real, so real. I'll keep believing in magic.
Yeah.
Someday, somehow, my true love will come.
Nice.
This may be my last day alone, 'cause there's someone for me who will always be the one I love.
Okay, bias aside, no? Bias aside. Kasi silang tatlo, I just wanted really to hear them sing together. So, kasi nga, hindi ko pa narinig si Belle and si Francine. So, bias aside, no? Meron talagang difference, lalo na sa bigat ng boses. And, I think si Belle and si Francine, they're still, developing that, or exploring that talent or skill that they have sa singing. And I think that Alexa is maybe more confident already and more experienced in terms of singing. Kasi nga, hindi ko pa nakilala yung dalawa. Kilala ko na si Alexa, and I already knew that she can really sing, no? Meron talaga siyang boses. Oh, Taglish pala to.
Sa puso ko'y madamang ikaw ang kasama.
Ay, boses dito si Bella.
Saan ka na? Hinahanap ka. Alam kong ika'y nariyan lang. Makikita din kita. Sana ika'y makasama. Ang yakap mo'y aking madama. Umaasang darating ka. Masabi ko sa'yong tanging pangarap ko ang yakap mo.
I have to say this. May napansin ako. I think the vocal volume ay hindi balanse. Sobrang lakas ng volume ng vocals ni Alexa. Kasi dito sa aking in-ear monitor, kahit na pasigaw pa or kahit pa mataas or kahit pa high pitch or high notes yung kakantahin, basta well-mastered siya and na-balance yung volume, hindi siya magde-distort. Kasi sa part ni Alexa, nagde-distort yung yung in-ear. So that means hindi balance yung vocal mixing nito, no? I mean the volume lang kasi nagde-distort siya. I was expecting na this is really parang mastered and talagang na-mix ng maayos kasi it's an OST, 'di ba? The audio should be at the best quality.
'Cause there's someone for me who will always be the one I love. I'll keep believing in magic. Someday, somehow, my true love will come. This may be my last day alone.
Pero in fairness naman,
'Cause there's someone
lahat silang tatlo magaganda.
who will always be the one I love. 'Cause there's someone for me who will always be the one I love. The one I love.
Haha, nice. Ang masasabi ko, okay, alam naman natin si Alexa can sing. Ang masasabi ko, si Belle merong boses si Belle Konting push lang doon, konting guidance lang. And then, ito naman si Francine, very cutie-cutie yung approach or yung boses niya. She also has potential. Develop lang, improve lang. Silang tatlo talaga itong mga batang ito, magaganda talaga, Very sophisticated itong beauty ni ni Belle. Kasi kapag hindi siya ngumingiti, like just the poker face, no? Gusto ko lang i-share to kasi napansin ko kasi sa mga nuances ng mga video. Very sophisticated, classy, elegant. Ito naman si Francine. Ito yung si Francine yung typical na parang magiging crush ng classroom. Okay? Ganun siya. Alexa, head turner. Ganun. Iba-iba din sila ng mga beauty. Talented na mga young stars. And I do hope that they have a wonderful career, no? Not only in showbiz, but outside showbiz. I am interested in reacting to Belle Mariano's solo performance. And if you guys have any recommendation, no? Yung talagang kay Belle Mariano lang, I would love to react to that. So, tell me the best performance na meron si Belle Mariano na live. We'll do a reaction to that. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe. And God bless you all. Peace.